Are you getting this application not found error message in Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. First step is to delete shortcuts for any suspicious app in a system. For this, first of all, press Windows and R, and herein you need to type in this command shell colon startup. I will give you everything, all the steps in the video description as well. And open this. Herein, if you find any suspicious app, then you will delete it. This is a startup app. So Comet is my I'm using it. Otherwise, you can simply select, right click it, any suspicious app. You just need to select it and click on this delete button. The next step is to delete unnecessary processes in task manager. So simply open task manager in your system, and here in processes you can see any unnecessary process is running. Then you need to select that process, and you need to simply select it like this and click on select that process and click on end task at the bottom right. So just end task any unnecessary processes running in task manager. So the next step is to run SFC scan. Now for this you need to uh, look for CMD, open command prompt as an administrator, right click here and click on run as administrator. Herein you need to run these two command SFC scan now, and after running this command you need to run DISM scanning command which I have giving you. You can find this command in the video description as well. Now you need to go to the settings of your system, open settings. In setting now need to click on apps option. Herein you can see there are so many apps are showing listed here. You need to look for any specific app and you can search the app here as well. After searching the app, you can see there's an option of advanced option below the app. Just tap on this, and herein you will get an option to repair the app or reset the app. You can see reset the app, repair the app. So you can reset the app from here, or you can terminate the app from here, or you can simply uninstall it. It's better to repair and reset. If you're using the app, you can repair and then click on this reset, and this will reset the app data. Click on reset and it will now function properly. And the last step is you need to go to the control panel, open control panel in the system, and then after opening control panel you need to click on this program and click on programs and features. And herein you can find any suspicious. If you find any suspicious, just right click here and click on this change option, or you can simply change it or uninstall it from here and simply follow the on screen instruction. After that, doing all these steps, make sure to restart to PC and check whether you are getting this error message or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.